Saitotiki Radaphan Sokchilikeron. Dipurong sa Pialong Containment Zone Kibipon Kenang Sot. Meghalaya pen kiwan ICDS asang Khanduli pen pachipon to that. Kardam pinipram ta bertalong penili samijili hansepi non bertang ton pen arjik tha. Barla nang kele porhut kiduk that aradatum sok chili kabi pen kaning rijok loja phanpura Karbianglong Autonomous Council CM Tulibram ronghang ahin pen matha pangching ponsi pinitum prengalong sok chili ke ronasai dengpon. Saitotiki asai ka mahin pen patir piponsi pini bithung rang thama MAC constituency angkang tumpreng open stage along Saitotiki asai kampen mai padoponsi Saitotiki aradaphan sok chili sprayer machine lapen kukeron padopon. Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM Omar Singh Tisopen Mai Chepahem Phupansi Alohi Sarpo Aman Pen Karbianglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang Kachitong Donalong MP Horen Singh Be Chitong Dunsi Saitotiki Aradaphan Kera Pahormu Ron Pajardon Maya Long Kachitong Dun Saitotiki Arad do anatumta COVID-19 pen kachiri nang jiaputhak rat pangri ahin pen kapin kharateng pen social distance dopensi Maya Long Kera Pahormu Chodeng Don Rinti Lockdown ke dekok ang bong COVID-19 pen kacesong ke kado kawita arpulo la pen laso ang bong sai katiki abangta kaya teng katiki cepaduk ponangji nonomat COVID-19 na keso ke longa phai kilit nai ke Hojai district henlo la se Hojai pen kachidam chebang abang un an pen chepang arponsi kimi pusi kachitong nun alohi sarpo Karbianglong Autonomous Council CM ronghang pen radaphan chuning ripon Maya long ke ongdung Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM MAC lapen board chairman atum chitongdon. Dong kamukam ben kabon militi sopi Karbianglong live. Det piadang along COVID-19 abor penajok keso phai ke long ke onga dimalong an ke containment zone puhok ponlo. Bangso containment zone ang kangabang ke maduta damlong le lapen banglong le se aron thik ponlo. Lason si Karbianglong arlo along abangke COVID-19 na keso ang thekilong le derajok green zone pusi hokponlo bonta rat lapen kuladatum sorkar kapen khatpon aron ke kroy atum si ong munakason si thekponlonglo bonta kedamtang aruni phai kroy nar kep arni angtan pen kebang Singhason hotel along quarantine along pen inut long ponlo bangso jok Singhason hotel along containment zone pu hokponlo Bangso phi aruni phai inkoi rapli arni West Karbianglong district arlo nawai bill number hini arong penamat si containment zone hokpon si rongarlo kedo atum angtan chonong le lapen angtan pen bangso rongalong ludamlong le aron si bikoklo lason thot si bokajan Priyanka hotel lo chalong sitame containment zone biponlo harokhat rong supia long tame containment zone biponlo lapu ana phi sitame dipurong supia raratungke kaphere kabedara bangke manghumi mi alam Lasi bangso COVID-19 na kiso pen kachapajok Punjab Phanpura District Administration ahin pen sai dengpon si dipurong supialong puthot kangker klaka sai dengpon thua sonte mesenji News Desk Report Karbianglong Live Non malomso dihina mo phan Bertaington panik sinang
Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Depot at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Where you will get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items.
Dihina mopi puthot berta arjupan thuik lona. Det piadang kangter klaka jok rada tum kangter kalang ida porahut West Karbi Anglong District pan kachikoy not laki Meghalaya State alo Jayantia Hills hanlo. Apong ahoy alam kiki klang beralong rilo. Kedamtang aruni phai ingkoy rapho arni kang sampor phai primalam Meghalaya Sarkar pen iya rada phan kapanong pon ICDS asang atta suji chana sangpher dali gakhir sini jangthu pen danglok ke ongdong asonamung ML04B 4579 atrak pen nangke thona hormu khanduli raikom sai khipen khangdon check ke khangdon check atrak driver phan karju ponahot ke than pona tengke bangso hormu iya longan se ke thandam ji pusi ningje pon Halapur Raikom Sakhia Hin Pen ke Thanpon Thua Tengke Bisman Hanse Aronga Sarasupi Quinly Hansepi Kedamtang Suri Cracer Kepra Sirkep Kepra Narkepaning Kanpensi Meghalaya Sarkar alongsi ICDS asai claim dun bompu alam longpon Bangso alam ke klang pen Quinly Hansepi aphan lapuson asai ke claim pona bangke choklo Jongsi lapuson asai ke claim dokok pulote ili tuma hoy ke doatum akisunga bangke judun elo Lapuson Meghalaya Sarkar alongsai ke claim dun ke dokok pena joksi laki nituma hawar puchomang atum nang chakrong verlo pusi thanparepon Halapu ke nep check Meghalaya pen ke wanga trakapan hamren osi dipenda saphan berta palese khanduli along penamat atrakapan pachidam thujoilo Langhem Pipen Bersing Tiso Karbi Anglong Live Menmeji Mukhim Lapendera Mukkedam PMGSY atowar kapatang tedera jok radatum inghan langbong pensi kachileng nang Bithong Rengthama constituency kaparlo Menmeji Lapen Mukhim arong radaphan kedam kebang joy kinang Tripura PMGSY scheme deng ponsi towar selam ponlo Bonta bangso towar ningkan hini pleng dera phita patang pamika ke dera jok radatum barla por hotlote inghan langbong lapen ningkrenga por hotlote longle do pensi chinglunang lo Non malam corona war pen ke doke thakasuk saknang takalilang halapu sar ikarong pen dera mokapacheleng PMGSY scheme atowar kaselam Mukhim arong angbong chitim thot ka heno kilit parajok gari motor ke aphialam lo king ben ke damanta chito rokan pin COVID-19 penajok India angkang pikangker klak pusitami contractor amatle nang chilang thekthei pusita sai kapalang don abang phuatuma phanle nang chitoy pen nang palang chari jasonte messenger potlo pusi hawarara betum ke hang pado News Text Report Karbi Anglong Live Sarkar kapen khadating ben Kopili constituency kaparlo Kheroni High School along quarantine aboha bipon se angtan ben ke bang bangkre isia tumaphan ki bipon COVID-19 ke soper thedang ki jumpo da jok Assam arlota arnibang si bangso ke so ke longa phainang bat bomlo Lasi bangso ke so pen kacheri theknang je phanpura Assam Sarkar kapen khadating pen alongtin MLA constituency along quarantine aboha biponang chipusi pin khatponlo Halapu Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen District Administration angbong kachingwai hota alongtin constituency along quarantine aboha biponang chipuka chiparaya tengsi Kopili constituency along sitami Kheroni High School along quarantine aboha biponlo Nonamat ke bangso quarantine aboha along bangkre isia tumaphan bipontanglo Kachini do na tengke banghini piso so tumaphan home quarantine ke toy dolo pusi kiton ke langa hinpen pachini pon News Desk Report Karbiang Long Live. Pini prime time berta ke lapon sa kang tonig lo do me thak me kardom.